Hi friends, so in this video I am going to show you how we can disable this keyboard sound. You can hear the sound. I am going to show you how we can disable the sound. Go to settings, then go to sounds and vibration, then go to system sound. So here you can see Samsung keyboard under system sound. You have to disable this. Okay, done. Now let me test it. See, now there is no sound. If you want to enable it, you can enable it under system sound, Samsung keyboard. Let me test again. See, now you can hear a sound. So this way we can enable and disable keyboard sound.